The sum function adds all the numbers in the provided range and then provides the grand total in the resulting cell in Excel. You can provide numbers, refer to multiple cells, or select a range of cells to sum the numbers easily. The sum function only works on numeric values. If you provide a non-numeric value, which is like a text value, it will result in a hash value error to be displayed in the grand total cell. The syntax of the sum function in Excel is equal to sum and then in the brackets provide number 1, comma number 2, comma number 3, etc. You can provide as many numbers as you want. Or else you can also just say equal to sum and then highlight the cell range like equal to sum A1 to A10. Do you use the sum function in Excel? Well, managers and business owners often ask their staff about the total sales or total revenue or total salary for the company or the department or even total number of tickets resolved or total time spent on calls, even total expenses. All such measures can be easily calculated with the sum function in Excel, which is pre-built and it is available in all the versions of Excel. This function is the most common and it can be invoked from the Home tab by clicking the Sigma icon. So the Sigma icon is on the right side of the Home tab. If the grand total cell is next to a range of data, it will auto-populate the sum formula without writing anything. This is a pretty handy trick that you should practice and get used to. This will help you a lot in getting the grand total, and this is one of the most important functions in Excel, and it is also the most commonly used function in Excel also. Did you like this video? Remember to click the like button and also subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon. Learn more about Excel systematically. Join our Excel Essentials from Beginning to Pro training program. Master Excel step by step through video tutorials, exercise files, challenge exercises, and you can watch it anytime, anywhere. Simply visit www.excelchamp.net/essentials and join the training program. Thanks for watching. All the best.